Hello guys, welcome back to Kenton's Kitchen. This is your chef who believes that when you combine good flavors, you come up with an extra. So today we're going to do an easy breakfast recipe. I'll be doing a recreation of a bread omelette, but in a different manner. I'll be adding some smoky toppings. So tag along, and if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post. For ingredients today, we're going to use some eggplant, I'm going to use smokies, diced onions, red capsicum, 4 eggs, some fresh chopped coriander, and a bread. Stay tuned. I'm going to start by frying my eggplants. So I'm going to season it with some salt and some black pepper. This is totally optional. So put your eggplants in the oil, then fry them for 3 minutes. The eggplants start to turn somehow brown. They are ready. So I'm going to start by breaking my eggs into a bowl. So I'm going to whisk the eggs before I add my capsicum. Add the chopped capsicum. And also whisk, and then add the chopped coriander. I'm also going to add my fried onions. And so at this point, I'm going to chop out the center part of the slice to remain with the edges. Yeah, these are my slices. Yeah, I'm going to use the edges. Put some butter or margarine on the pan. Then I'm going to put my bread slice by the edges. Then now start to add my mixture, my egg mixture. So I'm just going to add a little inside. Then add my toppings. I'm going to start with some sausages, then some eggplants. To add extra mixture. Then you can add your inner part of the slice at this point. And add more toppings on top of the inner slice, just a little bit. Then now I'm going to turn this. Yeah, so you can add more butter. Yeah, this is how the other side looks like. Yeah, and the other side. So at this point, you can remove this from the pan and continue cooking the rest the same way.